Dog, Alaskan Malamute. Country of origin, USA. Height, males 63.5 centimeters, females 58.5 centimeters. Weight, males 36 to 43 kg, females 32 to 38 kg. Lifespan 13 to 16 years. Coat, sheds profusely. Fertility, 6 to 8 puppies. Keeping, on the street, private house. Purpose, service. 1. Alaskan Malamutes are not trainable due to their natural intelligence and independent temperament, which creates problems for inexperienced owners. 2. The Malamute breed is characterized by a desire for dominance, so owners and family members need not only the ability to lead, but also to retain control. 3. Malamutes by nature love to dig, so if you have this breed in your yard, you will have to be prepared for possible plant damage and escape outside. 4. Malamutes can live with other animals once they are socialized, but can be aggressive with other animals outside, ignoring the rules. 5. Because of their thick fur, Alaskan Malamutes do not tolerate hot climates well. 6. Characteristically, Malamutes do not bark. Exceptions to this rule are extremely rare.